Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 3, move-in day. It's going to be great, probably a little chaotic, lots of activity, but this is the beginning of getting everything settled, and I'm excited. It's a gorgeous day for this. Look at this amazing view. This is what I get to see every morning the last couple of days. So today and tomorrow, which is unpacking day, is all about the beginning of this process of knowing how to organize and where to put things and what we need to go buy. So I'm excited and feeling really good. I got a good night's sleep. I'm feeling actually the best I have in the last 3 days. So thanks for joining me on this. Be lots to report today, and I'll look forward to reporting back this evening. Have a great day. See you then. I like their oatmeal. And yes, I did get coffee too. Okay, so lots happening. It's going to be a while, to get everything in. So I'm going to use my time to finish lining all of the bathroom drawers. So I'm starting here in the master. And, the great thing about using the same drawer liner as we did in the kitchen is that I have lots of good scraps to use, and that'll save us some money. Okay, so I'm heading out to the casita to get the shelves lined out there and just see what I can do. You can see it's coming out of the main house. There's just this nice little connecting patio. It's beautiful out here. And we go into the casita, which is, it's an awesome little space. Main entry here, and then a bathroom. So we'll get the shelf liner in the bottom of the bathroom there. And then there's going to be a Murphy bed, but it won't be here for a couple of weeks, so I can't really show you that, but that would be on this wall. And then there's a nice closet and hot water heater and stuff here. Here's this cool view. I tried to show you the other day, but I didn't take a very good picture, but it's so beautiful. And then the kitchen. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now while everybody's getting everything moved. Just need to get all those shelf liner done in here. And then, actually, we can start unpacking a little bit, or we can let the unpackers do it tomorrow. We'll see. If you're an organizer, you know how satisfying it is when your scraps fit perfectly in the drawer. Okay, I got it all done. Upper cabinets, lower, and the 2 drawers, and the little pantry. But I wanted to kind of give you a little pro tip. Typically, we don't put shelf liner on anything that's above your eyesight, because you're going to be scooting things back and forth. And when you get liner up there, usually what happens is you just end up pushing the liner back as you go to put something on the shelf, and it just gets wadded up in the back. And so I didn't put any shelf liner on these top ones either, just the low one in the middle. Another little pro tip is this pantry is typical of a lot of cabinetry that's next to the fridge where it's really deep. And so it's hard to organize because things just are kind of like a, black hole. And shelf liner doesn't always go to the back either, but in my opinion, it's better to not add the extra strip. Sorry, there's an airplane moving. Because again, when you're sliding, most likely we're gonna have to have bins on here to keep things organized so that you can pull forward. And when you need to slide things on the mat, if you have that extra strip in the back just to kind of cover up the wood, a lot of times it gets caught and it just doesn't work. So you'll end up being better off to just leave the empty space in the back. And it looks good. And in that case, you might even opt to not have liner in the deep area at all. However, I do think it's worth doing in the pantry because things leak and they get sticky, and it's just easier to clean. It's all done. Hey guys, what a great day we had today. It was just very successful. The movers got, not we, but the movers got everything in the house. Of course, you can see all the boxes. But I already unpacked some just to get us started. And tomorrow is the Unpackers. So that's going to be huge. And then, of course, they haul all the trash away. So my job really starts tomorrow. And I'm here until Friday. So I have 4 days to get everything that you see in these pictures in a home in a meaningful way. And I love it. It's like a big puzzle. So far I've been kind of just helping things move along, but actually my job really starts tomorrow. So I'm just excited about how things are going, and gonna have a good dinner tonight and relax a little bit, and just looking forward to the rest of the week. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow.